saying that the first song is called Fanny Ray. We recently shot a music video for it. It was directed by Shamak Davar, choreographed by Homi Adajania, and we had to work very, very hard. You know, I mean, I've done. A
Hey,
lot
shut up, man, Deepika. Hey, she's lying. Huh? She's fully lying. Hey, homie, where we were harder on this film? We worked hard. We hardly worked. No? We worked?
Very hard. The hardest I've ever worked, and the most on choreography.
And we had the most amount of fun also.
That too.
Huh? You
But
guys
that-
want to see the video? You want to see the video?
I've never seen the video. I haven't seen the video. We just shot for it recently. It's all ready now, and in fact, I'm going to see it. We are going to see it with all of you right now, right?
Let's show them.
Much
Homie,
pressure to host an event. You know what he said to me? He was like, that came straight from the heart, na? So I'm like, Tsh. Okay. Q, what's my Q? Okay. And now our fabulous music composer of Finding Fanny, Matthias Duplessis, will perform Fanny Ray along with the brilliantly talented Mir Mukhtiar Ali and Bastia on the accordion. And Arjun and I will try and perform.
we'll try and replicate everything homie taught us. The stage will be able to handle it, no?
Stop. And
Isn't it very unnerving to be able to see exactly what you're doing?
we'd also like to treat you to one of the bonus tracks from the album. It's called.
Shake your.
It's called. Huh?
Shake your.
Don't miss the pout, huh?
हमने गाने का नाम नहीं रखा because she'll do this action every time you want to hear the song.
Shake your. Okay, so the track is called Shake Your Buttia, and I'd like to invite Sachin and Jigar on stage to perform for us, please.
Oh, I
Thank
thought
you.
Homie and Dino were performing this.
Them too.
Hello, hello. Good evening, everybody. Each time Dino sir calls us, we have fortunately or unfortunately come up with some crazy tracks. Last time we did Baba Ji Ki Booty. So from Booty to Bootia this time. It's quite a progression.
I'd like to invite on stage our singer, the fabulous Divya Kumar, and we have Priya Andrews with us.
Hello.
Priya?
Thank you, thank you.
So I think we've met some really crazy people in the industry, but I don't think it gets crazier than this. Please put your hands together for.
Apparently, he's directed this film. That's
Homi
the rumor.
Adajania! Woohoo! 1 second.
Or,
my
so-
cue card says, invite Homi, and he talks shit.
How did you know?
Oh, I'm not supposed to say that.
They've given. Oh, the mic works.
But 1 second, he will talk shit in which language today?
Shuddh Hindi.
शुद्ध हिंदी में वार्तालाप करेंगे आज होमी अडजानी आप
Okay,
सबके साथ।
I'm not going to waste time with myself and us other irrelevant people since you're only interested in Deepika and Arjun. Thank you guys very much for coming here. I want to call on stage the only one person who is a friend and my producer who had the balls to make this movie. He told me that if I have to make this film for you because if I don't, you're going to drive me, Fenia, crazy. It's very difficult for me to talk in proper English. So, without further ado, Mr. Dinesh Vijan, the producer of Finding Fanny.
Who's going to
Fanny,
talk more
Fanny.
shit?
The honest truth is that he would have killed me if he didn't make this film. But I think what makes it special is the energy of the film and the team. And I'd like to call, we found a partner in Foxstar Studios who are taking this film further than any other Indian film has gone, hopefully. So, Vijay Singh, CEO of Foxstar Studios.
Our cue card doesn't say sit.
So I'm
I'm not going to give any of the corporate shit because that's what I guess you think I'm going to do. Okay, no, I just want to say that, you know, Finding Fanny is one of those films that's going to work not only in India but beyond India. And I think that's the commitment we have to the team here. So really excited about it. And now the guy who's going to have to do all the hard work in taking this music, Sridhar, the CEO, MD of Sony Music.
Thanks, everybody. But anyway. Oh, really? Okay, so I'm just going to shut up and sit right away. But anyway, it's an honor to work with all these three and make this a big hit. So the music releases today. I think it's going to be awesome. Anyway, that's the end of that.
I request all of y'all to pose for the photo ops and then we can go on to the question and answers
Dino
with
and
the
Homie
media.
don't know how to pose.
You know the pout, no? Show the pout. Show what Anita has trained you well. It's empty.
Can we start, please, with
Yes, sir.
जो आपका हो.
I don't think bold is the right word. I would say different. Even for me as an audience, when I look at the promo of Finding Fanny, I think it's very different from what one has been seeing on TV, and refreshing, different. Yeah.
So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys come on 12th
Hi,
September to watch our bold film.
Arjun Deepika here from Alok from OFM.
Different, not bold.
Yeah, different. Sorry, quirky.
मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है।
Quirky and cool, correct.
जी पूछिए.
सवाल ये है कि लेजेंड्स के साथ आप दोनों ने काम किया है। नसीर साहब हैं, डिम्पल जी हैं, पंकज साहब हैं। ये लोग
Thank God आपने उनका नाम ले लिया. मैं सोचा था आप होमी को लेजेंड बुला रहे एक सेकंड.
नहीं 10-20 सालों में आप लोग भी हो जाएंगे।
जी जी जी.
तो इनके साथ काम करना और स्पेशली उनके डांस की स्टाइल अगर आप दोनों बताएं कि किस तरीके का डांस एंड उनका प्रेजेंस होना सेट पे कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है प्रेजेंट.
You want to know about their dancing style and आपने अगली चीज क्या?
एंड उनका काम करने का ढंग जो होता है.
देखिए dancing style, I think we were given this freewheeling ability by our director and choreographer कि जो हमारे मन में हम गाना सुन के करें, तो कोई dancing style नहीं था. We all just tried to have fun. जहाँ तक काम की बात की जाए, I think their work and body of work speaks for itself. They're fantastic actors. I think I speak on her behalf and Homies that we are honored to that they agreed to be a part of this film. Yeah. They bring so much value, so much experience, and the command over the craft is tremendous. अपने काम को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, and I think we have become better actors by just being in the same frame as all three of them. Yeah.
दीपिका कभी आपने मुर्गी पकड़ी है अपने हाथों से? मुर्गी पकड़ी है कभी? मुर्गी
Have I? Murgi.
मुर्गी पूछ रहा.
Chicken.
dummy? It was a dummy. It was a dummy that we ate for lunch. Okay. After the shot.
तो
Hi, Arjun.
दीपिका वो हाथ में आपने मुर्गी भी रखा है, उसको काटने का यंत्र भी रखा है.
मुर्गी को क्या?
मुर्गी को रखा है हाथ में, उसको काटने का भी यंत्र रखा है. तो ऑन सेट कुछ ऐसा किया लाइफ में? आप खाती हैं मुर्गी चिकन?
सर अगले आधे घंटे में लंच होने वाला, मुझे लगता है आपको भूख लग रही है.
Arjun, hi Arjun and Deepika. This question is to you.
आप वो कहाँ?
This side, on your left.
जी.
Yeah. I just needed कि every person like searches something in life. Like in life में जैसे इसमें life है, romance है, love है. What are you looking out from life? In fact?
Me personally.
You, yeah, yourself and Deepika.
Happiness.
The pursuit of happiness.
And happiness, how will you define happiness? Happiness किस में मिलता है आपको?
हर रोज अलग रीजन होते हैं खुश होने के. सर कभी काम से खुशी मिलती है, कभी पर्सनल लाइफ से मिलती है, कभी कभी कोई किसी से मिल लो तो खुशी मिलती है. यू कैन फाइंड happiness in different ways in different places when you least expect it. So you can't describe it in आपको किससे मिलती है. हर रोज you find different experiences that give you genuine happiness.
Deepika, hello.
I think a little bit like what Arjun said, but I think when you finally find yourself and you have the confidence in yourself to just be the person that you are and you want to be, I think that gives me a lot of happiness.
Deepika, hi, Janvi from Times Now.
Hi.
Hi. Deepika, there were reports recently that you were spending a lot of time on the sets of Dil Dhadakne Do. So will we see you in a special cameo in that film, or were you just hanging out on the sets?
I don't do cameos.
So how was it? What was the experience like on the cruise?
I'll just send the girl with the mask.
So Deepika, how was your time on the sets? What was the cruise like? Any?
It's irrelevant to this event, no? We'll chat later.
दीपिका आपसे जानना चाहूँगा दीपिका कैन यू हियर मी चाहे चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस का मिनोमा का किरदार हो या लीला हो रामलीला की लीला हो ज़बान पे आपकी एक बहुत अच्छी पकड़ रही है जहाँ हम लैंग्वेज की एसेंट की बात करते हैं फैनी को निभाते वक्त गोवा की भी एक अलग ज़ुबान है एक अलग एसेंट एक अलग लहजा है ये कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा फैनी का किरदार निभाते हुए और डू यू एग्री कि कॉकटेल से लेकर अब तक कितना ग्रो किया आपने एज एन एक्टर और कितना योगदान मानती है आप भूमिका अपने कैरियर में
I think as far as how much I have grown, I think you should ask someone like Homi who's worked with me in the capacity of a director. As far as the accent is concerned, it's actually something I really enjoyed with Fanny because the film is set in Goa and I got to speak my mother tongue in the film, which is Konkani. Goans do speak Konkani, we know that. So I got to experiment, improvise, but most importantly, it's a nice feeling when you have command over a language. Having said that, I think the first few days on set were very difficult, not just for me, but for all of us. When you're an actor in a Hindi film, you're used to listening to yourself in Hindi and performing in Hindi and hearing yourself in Hindi. When you start doing the same thing in English, it just sounds different. So it takes a couple of days to get used to that. Yeah.
अर्जुन आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा जहाँ इस तरह की फिल्म में पंकज कपूर साहब जैसे नसीर साहब जैसे और दीपिका को सब नंबर 1 ही मानते हैं आज की तारीख में एक्ट्रेस आई होप यू टेक माय क्वेश्चन ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट तो अर्जुन आपको लगता है कि डूइंग अ फाइंडिंग फैनी फिल्म लाइक फाइंडिंग फैनी इज अ रिस्क और एक्सपेरिमेंट फ्रॉम योर साइड व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट
I actually didn't think about it at all. I think a lot of people think that it's a risk. It was brave on my part, but I just feel like I didn't think about it so much. I went with my heart. I went with my instinct, and most importantly, trust. I trust Homi, and I remember him narrating this story to me when we were shooting Cocktail, and.
Thank you so much. The question was for Arjun Kapoor. It's okay. It's okay. I was waiting to complete. I was waiting for your answer to
I'm
get
so
completed.
sorry.
It's okay, no problem. Arjun, now it's your turn. Arjun.
नहीं आप उनका नाम निकाल के कट कॉपी पेस्ट करके मेरा जवाब लिख
Sir.
I didn't hear you say Arjun. I'm so sorry.
I've used Arjun.
मैं वेट कर रहा था कि सांस ले पर नहीं
Even I was waiting to get her completed.
नहीं but
Arjun.
Sir.
It's happened in the film also a lot of times.
हाँ मैं बस खड़े रह गया जैसे इन्होंने कहा I didn't look at it. देखिए हम नाप तोल के चीजें नहीं करते. There's something called impulse and instinct that you go by. I was offered this film at a very interesting time in my life, and he came to me after seeing Ishaq Zadeh and said, "I think you can play this character in this and live this world." तो मुझे वो बहुत interesting लगा that the director has that vision for me at such a nascent stage in my career. तो मैंने ज़्यादा इतना सोचा नहीं, नाप तोल के चीज़ें नहीं करता हूँ मैं. मुझे मौका मिल रहा है इतने दिग्गज कलाकारों के साथ काम करने का. I'll become a better actor for it hopefully. So I did it just for the experience of it and not trying to calculate कि ये मेरा सही समय है करने के लिए या मैं बाद में करना चाहिए या पहले. सब कंप्लेन करते हैं हम लोग कुछ अलग नहीं करते तो दुआ करता हूँ इस बार लोग कंप्लेन नहीं करेंगे और बोलेंगे अच्छा है कुछ अलग किया हम सब ने. Thank you.
Hi Deepika. Yeah, Deepika. Okay, now Arjun and your very close friend Ranveer has done a very interesting cameo in the movie, right? So hi, yeah. So Arjun and your very close friend Ranveer has done a very interesting cameo in the movie. And you wouldn't do a cameo, but apparently Ranveer agreed to do this because of you convinced him to. Is it true?
अब आप किससे पूछ रहे हो भैया?
पहले दीपिका से फिर
I didn't even lift the mic to answer this.
ये दीपिका से उसके बाद will come.
You said Arjun, don't lie.
I said
no,
hi
no,
Deepika,
no,
your and Arjun's
no.
very close friend
no,
Ranveer.
No. You
ठीक
said
है,
hi Arjun.
she answered earlier on my behalf, so this time I'll answer.
So this is you're being the spokesperson. Good. Arjun, give a nice
We are
quote.
being each other's spokesperson.
We are being normal people and having a conversation with you. You want to enjoy that for a change?
Absolutely, I'm enjoying that.
Okay, so let's answer the question, which is it's fun when people go out and do things on a whim without thinking so much. It was great fun that he allowed himself to be a part of it, and I think it was more because of the fact that Homie one evening had met him and just narrated this story to him in this journey, and he agreed willingly, I think, in that moment to. He did a friendly appearance because of that, because of Homie's narration style. That's what it was actually, more than anybody else.
Okay, would Deepika want to comment on it now?
I have no say in the casting. Homie, do you
Deepika
want to
actually
say?
had no idea that Ranveer Singh was playing this cameo.
She had no idea I'm playing Savio also till she
Yeah.
told me.
Nobody
She
had
didn't
no
have any
idea
idea
what's
about
going
anyone
on.
in this
Okay.
film. No, I was actually, I was sitting around with Ranveer and we were chatting about this. He said, what are you doing next? And I told him the story and told him it's been cast. So he said that, but let me play the role of, this cameo role of Gabo. And he's a super guy. I mean, just too much fun. And he came to the set, we shot him in half a day and we laughed so much he stayed on for 10 days. But Deepika had no clue about it.
Okay, nobody had any clue about it. Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Hello.
Hello. She's holding the mic, but
Yeah, mics are working.
your mic is not working, but you're still.